numbing. Like, your body goes numb.
Well, how did you fall?
She just touched the water.
Literally.
It's cold. So we're here at the water slide. It's pretty cold.
Freezing.
It is really cold, you guys. So be prepared. It's not like it sucks at cold, but it's like you numb yourself, and then
once you get out, you're like completely fine. Like you don't even like shitter, and you don't chatter your teeth.
Yeah. Just on your trip here, make sure you guys get here really early. We had to wait in line for probably 2 hours just to get in here because it has limited parking and stuff. So make sure you guys get here early and bring some snacks. They have bathrooms and restrooms and food and stuff here.
Come with your swimsuit on though if you're not going anywhere before.
Yeah.
It's kind of like stalls are small, so.
Just come prepared and be ready to be around a lot of people because there's a lot of people here. We're just gonna cap our 6 feet apart. And yeah. Also, just be aware they do close at 6 p.m. as of right now anyways. I'm not sure if that changes or what, but we didn't get in here till 5 and they're already telling us that we gotta leave, so it's cold. Okay, we're out of here. Always bring some salt and vinegar Pringles.
Your iPhone is not backed up.
So this is the water slide. Just have a little creek right here, and then back there behind us, is the water slide. We're leaving now. They kind of kicked us out of here. So, yep, it's a pretty nice little walk back here though. It's not far. It's got some.
I completely recommend the water park. For girls, I would say wear like some really big shorts or like those swimming shorts because guys have swimming trunks and they don't get any cuts from the rocks. But if you go down in swimming suit bottoms, you're definitely getting cut on the rocks. But they do have like some algae on them, so it's easy to like slide down them. It just kind of hurts. So wear shorts. That was awesome. Well, if you're a cliff jumper, you can come and jump. I mean, that's pretty far down. How far do you think that is?
I don't know if I do that.
Yeah, well, I think I could. I'd have to get real confident to do it, but I think I could possibly do it. Thank you.
Sorry, we had to see them. It's pretty cool though.
It's really awesome, and the price is $30 a car, which isn't bad. I mean, if you have a bunch of friends to bring, all you have to do is pay for the car entry.
Yeah.
So you don't have to pay per person.
I rate it 5 out of 5.
Same.
Go back to the car.